Hey, what's up, Flitz fans? It's Graham here from Team Flitz. If you're going out for the hunt or coming back from the hunt, Flitz has some great tips and tricks with their products on how to care and maintain your bows, guns, knives, and more. So stay tuned. All right, one of the first products I'm going to show you is a product that Flitz came out with about, 5-6 years ago. It's a tactical matte finish cleaner. I don't know if you've seen it before in the marketplace, but it is an unbelievable product. It does a great job and it's super quick. I'm going to show you really quick here on this crossbow. Take the product, spray it right onto the area. Now the great thing with this product is it's all water-based, doesn't have any harsh odor to it at all, so great when you're out in the field. But just wipe this on and buff it right off. Instantly, what you're going to see is all the dust, the dirt, the grime, even the sweat from around the grip of your hand brings the finish right back out to new. Now this is not a wax-based product, so it's not going to seal or protect it at all, but it's a great cleaner to greaser for you when you're out in the field or just getting back from the hunt. Now on this one, I don't know if you can make it out on here, we got a lot of dust. This barrel has been sitting around for a while. Spray this on. I don't know if you can see it already just starting to melt away that dust and the dirt, the grime that's there. And watch this. Boom. Just within seconds, it's all gone. And it leaves it back to that flat finish. Now the great thing with this product is it's not oily based, it's not a harsh residue or anything at all. So it doesn't change the appearance of the finish nor the feel of it at all. But really quick, easy product to help clean and get off all the dust, the dirt, the grime from your archery equipment. Another product we're going to use on here is something new that Flitz came out with. It's Extreme Gun, Knife, and Bow Protection product. Now this is a ceramic coating, and I'm sure some of you have heard about ceramic coatings before if you're in the car side of things. Maybe when you even bought a car, they wanted to sell you like a ceramic coating for your car to help protect it. Well, Flitz has come around with this product to do the exact same thing on your hunting equipment. It's crazy and it works unbelievable. This gives you up to a year's worth of protection. Now you're probably asking yourself, why would I want to protect a bow like this? The reason being is, again, grease, grime, dust, oil, powder residues, all that different stuff that you experience when you're out in the field. The other thing is, if you don't protect these, eventually a wrap like this, he'll end up fading. This product has basically an SPF of 50, so it's almost like putting suntan lotion on your skin. So I'm going to show you really quick how fast this works. Spray it right on the area. Now on something like this, you can see it's like a duller finish. The great thing with this product is it does not gloss a dull or a matte type finish. And I'll show you that on another surface as well. But just buff it in and just take a dry cloth and buff it right off. That's it, just that quick. But when you feel the surface, I wish I could have feel-o-vision here for you so you could actually see what I'm talking about, but it makes it really nice and slick. You go to any of the hardware areas, again, just spray it right on. And even here, where you can see some of the graphics, it will not change that appearance at all. Take your Flitz cloth, get a dry side on there, buff it right off. Boom, gone. And protected. I just noticed another spot down over here. We've got a lot of dust going on. Let's just do another thing with the tactical cleaner. Watch this. Just wipe it off. And again, just within seconds, cleans it off. Now let's add a little bit of protection over the top of it. Voila, like brand new. So you can see how quick and easy it works like on this archery equipment. Now when you're out on the hunt, say you're not into crossbows and things, I'm going to show you on a rifle. So take your hunting rifle. Some of you may know Flitz polished in the past, but I'm going to show you really quick how this product works. And if you can zoom in on there, cameraman, and you can see, you know, this gun hasn't been cared for the best. Take a little bit of your polish and put this right on. Just take your polish, just buff it in real light like this. And what you'll see instantly is the rust, the dust, the dirt, the grime coming right off. I hope you can make this out, but look at all the garbage that's coming off on this. Look at that. And I'm using a tissue, and as you can see, I'm not rubbing hard or anything at all. But there's your before and after. Again, just within seconds, cleans and restores your gun back to new. Now, you want to take it an extra step further. Again, pull out your coating. Spray it right on the area. Now, the one thing on this, when it comes to guns, is this product is heat resistant. A lot of things are out there, like wax products and protectants and different things. This product, fire off a couple rounds, you're good to go. Where it's really going to come in handy and you're really going to appreciate it is when you get some powder residue, it just wipes right off. It's just seconds. So I'm going to take a little bit of this, spray it right on. And as you can see, I just did 2 squirts. You're probably looking at this bottle going, man, this thing's not going to do a whole lot for me. Believe me, you'll be able to get about 20 shotguns out of this, about 40 handguns, archery equipment, 10 to 12 crossbows, or your archery bows or anything like that. But what you'll see, just buff this in real light and buff it right off. Again, that's it. If you had feel-o-vision, this is super slick. Let me grab a little water. And what you'll see, hope you can make this out, drop a little water on here. Do you see how this is beating up? It's not even sticking. So if you're out hunting and you get caught in the rain, the snow, the inclement weather, look at that. It's sealed and protected, just that quick and easy. Now when you go to put it away for your next hunt, you don't have to worry about any surface rust or anything appearing onto the gun. The other thing is, with the polish, if you have old stocks, like this is in pretty good shape, but if you have old stocks that are looking a little wore out, weathered, you can put that polish on there and it'll help restore that as well. The other thing is, on the wood stocks, you can also use a ceramic coating. It'll seal and protect that against elements, also help it from fading, cracking, blistering, or popping. So, a couple quick easy products right away for your guns and your archery. Last thing I'm going to show you is when you're out in the field, you usually have a knife on you. So I got an old buck knife here, and I have more of a military style knife. I'm going to show you real quick. You take a little bit of your Flitz polish. I don't know if you can make out how dull this is. Obviously it hasn't been cared for. Now I'm going to put a little bit of this on just with my finger. This product is all eco, green friendly, it's safe. It's actually even USDA certified. So if you put it on a knife, you don't have to worry about it's going to kill you or hurt you. But put it on just a really thin light coating like that. And again, I'm just going to grab you a tissue. Nothing harsh, no hard rubbing. And look at this. Look at all the garbage coming right off. I don't know if you made it out in the shot before, but there was like a little rust on there too. Look at that. Go on, turn it right onto a mere finish. I'm going to take a cloth, just give it a final wipe here. Look at that, right back to new. Now, again, take your ceramic coating, put it right on there, and just buff it in, and just buff it right off. Look at that shine. And just like I did with the gun, watch this. Look at it, it's protected. Look at that water. Look at it just roll right off. Amazing. Now you see we got some wood on here. As I mentioned on the gun, if you have more of a duller type finish and the wood wasn't cared for, let's take a little of the Flitz polish. Let me show you how this works. Put it right on there. And obviously we got some brass on here, little brass rivets on here. I'm going to take that tissue again and to start buffing it in and off. Look at all that. Man. And you can see we're doing live time here. It's just that quick and easy. Boom, look at that. Grab another cloth, give it a final wipe down here. Wow, look at the shine on that. And look at that wood handle. It came right back to life. Now, I want to protect that again. Use my gun and knife sealant. Put it right on there. We're going to just buff it in real light once again. And buff it right off. Bam. Beautiful, isn't it? All right, last one I'm going to show you. Got our tactical style knife here. I know some people take it into the field with them when they're hunting. I know I love this type of knife because you got a little bit of a saw edge to it. Plus it's a bigger style knife for cutting in and getting to like ropes and different things. But let me just show you. You see how, I don't know, it's almost got like a gloss to it. I use a little bit of oil on this knife at one time and it's got a bit of a shine to it. So I want to get that off. I want to bring it back to its original finish. So I'm going to take the tactical cleaner on here. Spray it right on. And I'm going to do half so you can sort of see the difference. Spray it right on. Again, I'm just going to even take my tissue once. Watch this. Just start wiping it off. Getting off the garbage. Look at that. I hope you can make that out. Look at it as it dries even. Whew. Man, right back to that dull matte finish. And that's what I'm going for. I want that dull finish because that's how the knife came when I bought it. So let me get the rest of this off here real quick. And then we're going to protect it too. Get that off. Give it a final wipe. Look at that. Right back to just the way I bought it. Now, we talked about this on the gun. We talked about it on the bow. And the great thing with this product is it will not gloss or shine, as I sort of mentioned on the bow before. As you can see on the gun, it brought a shiny finish back because that's what the gun was. It's a shiny, bright finish. I don't want a shiny finish on my tactical blade like this. This product will not gloss or shine that at all, but it will seal and protect it. So I'm going to take this, just give it a quick little spritz like that. Again, take your Flitz microfiber cloth, give it a wipe, take a dry side of the cloth, make sure it's nice and dry. That was not a dry spot for me. There we go. Look at that. Can't see the difference at all. Looks like I just used a cleaner on it, but now, again, super, super slick and protected. I use this on all my regular carry knives. The great thing is, if you end up cutting boxes, wire, pretty much anything, the garbage comes off so much easier. So if you work in a factory and you're cutting boxes, or your wife's gone crazy and you just bought a bunch of stuff off of Amazon, get some of this stuff. It will really help protect your knives. Hey, thanks so much for checking out the video. Hope you learned a couple things on how to protect your guns, your knives, and your bows. That being said, all these products that we use in the video, probably asking yourself, how can I get them? They got any specials going on? Sure do. Check this out right over here. Package buy, and not only that, I know I've been seeing you eyeing up this cool hat I got on. Yep, that's Realtree Camo with the Flitz logo on it. You're going to get that for free. That's a $20 value for free. So wishing you all the best on your hunts out there. Be safe, and most of all, Flitz it.